Hi everyone, let's solve question number 33. If the line y equals to x plus c touches the ellipse 2x square plus 3y square equals to 1, then the possible values of c are. Okay, so this line is basically tangent to this ellipse, and let's say it is touching at point x1, y1. Okay, so we can use the transformation x square goes to x1, y square goes to y1 for finding out the equation of tangent. Basically, t equals to 0, we are using notation. That gives me 2x(x1) plus 3y(y1) equals to 1. So this is my tangent equation. So if I rearrange it, I'll be getting 2x1x plus 3y1y equals to 1. Now I can compare it with this equation, that is x minus y equals to minus c, right? So if I compare both these equations, I'll be getting 2x1 by 1 equals to 3y1 by minus 1 equals to 1 by minus c. Okay. Now we can find out the values of x1 and y1 in terms of c. So we'll be getting x1 equals to minus 1 by 2c and y1 equals to 1 by 3c. Okay. We know that x1 and y1 also satisfy this ellipse. So that would be 2x1 square plus 3y1 square equals to 1, right? Now we can put these values of x1 and y1 in that equation. X1 is 1 by 2c, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2c. So 2 times minus 1 by 2c whole square plus 3 times 1 by 3c whole square equals to 1. So we have got 1 by c square is common from here, and we are getting 2 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2, and 3 into 1 by 9, that would be 1 by 3, that is equals to 1. So this becomes 5 by 6. So c square equals to 5 by 6 and c equals to plus minus under root 5 by 6. So B is the correct answer.